MTU Aero Engines, a German manufacturer and a key partner in the Pratt Whitney engine program, announced that the overhaul time for some PW1000G geared turbofan engines, GTF, had been reduced to less than 100 days in the workshop. This improvement comes after a peak in the number of aircraft with GTF engines needing unscheduled maintenance during the second quarter, marking a crisis for A320 family operators. Lars Wagner, CEO of MTU Aero Engines, noted that the company's efforts to improve repair turnaround times are starting to pay off. Previously, the full-cycle repair time was 140 to 150 days. This progress reflects MTU's commitment to optimizing the workload, increasing repair capacity, and ensuring better availability of spare parts. Although the current turnaround time is not yet standard, it shows the company's capabilities and movement in the right direction. It is estimated that around 350 A320 aircraft will be grounded at various times through 2026 due to these engine issues. Currently, about 10% of PW1100G powered jets are out of service, with many awaiting engine replacements or repairs. The inspections and repairs for these engines are extensive, with each engine requiring between 250 to 300 days to complete. This prolonged downtime is exacerbated by limited maintenance capacity and parts shortages, as the Pratt & Whitney GTF network can only handle about 1,000 engines per year. Airlines like Swiss have already grounded several A320neo family aircraft due to these engine issues, with expectations that the number of grounded aircraft could increase as inspections continue. The airline's operational capacity is significantly affected during peak travel seasons as they cannot use their full fleet. The situation is expected to worsen before it improves, with additional inspections planned for about 1,200 engines over the next year. This has raised concerns about the overall reliability of the PW1000G engine family and prompted some airlines to reconsider their engine selections for future aircraft purchases. We have already made a video of it, and it will be available in the description. The steps by MTU will likely speed up their return to service, but it still represents a lengthy downtime, which is very costly for the operators of these aircraft. Now, do you think aircraft engines need to be uncomplicated, as too much high technology and proprietary knowledge makes it difficult to repair these engines? Let us know in the comments. Don't miss out on the latest aerospace insights. Hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content.